Hi, this is the Pixel Fold, and today I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key button on this device. So first open the Settings application and then scroll all the way down to the System section. Tap to the gestures and you'll see here Press and Hold Power Button section. Now by press and hold to the Power Key button, we could activate the power menu, we could switch it to the Digital Assistant, and just by press and hold the Power Key button, we could use Google Assistant option, but first we should just download the Assistant. Be sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. That could take a couple of seconds, a minute. So now by press and hold to the Power Key button, we could see that the Google Assistant successfully enabled. Just to turn it off, switch Digital Assistant to Power menu, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.